Hello everyone, I am Mr. Helper and today I am going to show you how to install fonts in Photopea. This is a beginner friendly guide, so that means if you don't know how to install things on your computer, no need to worry. This is a step-by-step guide. All you have to do is watch the video completely. In this video, I will also gonna share some of the websites that I personally use to download my font and use it on my project. In case if you are comfortable in Hindi, then I have also uploaded this video in Hindi language as well. Please check the description box below for that. Okay, let's get started. So here we are, official website of Photopea, which is photopea.com. Let me open one of my projects so that I can explain you better. So here it is, my thumbnail, which I created long time ago. I have also uploaded this video on YouTube, you can find it. Anyway, all you have to do is open your text layer, double click on it, then click over here and look for load font. As I promised you earlier, I'm gonna share some of the websites that I personally use to download my font. So let's open it. I'm gonna download those font and then use it over here and install it. Okay, so let me open it. So these are the three websites that I personally use to download my fonts from, and some of them are paid, some of them are allowed to use personally, and some of them are allowed to use commercially as well. If you are looking for commercially used font, then you can contact the website or you can filter it. I'm not gonna talk about from where you can download the commercial one, otherwise video will be long. Okay, so I picked this one. Click on it. You can type whatever if you want. If you type Mr. Helper, you can see it will gonna reflect it over here. It will gonna show you how good or bad it will gonna look like. If you are okay with that, click on download. Okay, our file has been downloaded successfully. Go to the location where you have downloaded this file, your font. I'm assuming that you don't know how to use WinRAR, WinZip or any archive software. So all you have to do is right click and go for open with, and then click on Windows Explorer. Right click, copy, go back, create a new folder and paste it here that we just copied, right? So this is the font. Okay, now cut the location where you have unzipped or extracted your font. Now go back to the website, Photopea website, click over here, click on load font, click on open, and now select the font. Oh, that's really nice. Photopea is saying next time you open the website, this font will be automatically loaded, so you don't have to do it again and again. You don't have to do that. Photopea will gonna do it for you. Okay, click on OK. Now let's find the font that we are looking for. Once again, click over here, find that font name which was Beto. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the one. Okay, I know font is not looking that great, not looking great in this thumbnail. Anyway, you can do the same thing with all this website also. Okay, before I go guys, I want to talk about something that you should know. This is the first time I'm showing my face to you all, and I know there are some problems with my face cam, some lighting issues, and I will really appreciate if you share your feedback to me. If you are a content creator, if you use your face cam to create videos, let me know in the comment box below, or you can join my Discord. We can talk about that in Discord. I really need your support, so please guys, suggest your things. Let me know what are the things that I'm making wrong. Lighting issues is obviously it is not good. I can get a ring light. I'm looking forward to get your feedback. Okay, so that's been said. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Support the channel guys. I really need your support. Please help me. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.